Hey everybody, this is Roger Daviston. Thanks for joining in. I help people think different so they can feel different so they can change their behavior. Do a lot of leadership development, personal development, growth for technicians, salespeople, and owners. So if you need help with any personal development growth, let me know. But in today's video, we're going to talk about teams and how they don't function properly because we're not sure who owns what. So we're going to talk today about the directly responsible individual. So who is the directly responsible individual? A lot of times when systems break and processes break, we just don't know because we really haven't clarified who owns what. So in teams, you have to really do a good job deciding on boundaries, clarifying who is responsible for what, who owns what. And a lot of times what you'll figure out is when something breaks, it broke because the team members assumed somebody else owned it. And sometimes what happens is somebody won't be directly responsible for something because we don't make them and we allow them not to be. Let me give you two examples. I'm currently coaching a husband and wife. They own a small plumbing business, $1 million or so, and the husband does the wrenching. The wife does some other things, and we're coaching them with processes. And the question came up, really want to work less in this business. The wife really want to work less in this business, but to do that, I've got to hire some people to do some things. And one of the things is I need to hire somebody and teach them how to do invoicing. And I said, okay, let's talk about invoicing. And so we talked, and here's what I discovered. I discovered that they weren't following process. And I asked a really simple question. I said, hang on just a second. So we have a process, and this is what the process is. They use the new flat rate. The new flat rate, Matt Cope, and the Cope's great people. The process is when you present the option page, the process is after the customer picks which option and they've agreed, then the process is it okay if we go ahead and take care of the paperwork right now? And the customer 99.9% of the time says sure. And you say, okay, we've been paying cash, check, or credit card. So the process is the technician does the invoice. So let me ask you a question. Who is the directly responsible individual for invoicing in this particular example? And the answer to the question is the husband. Here's where the rubber meets the road. The husband owns the business. The wife owns the business too. But what the wife is doing is enabling the husband's irresponsibility. And we've talked about this, we've brought it to their attention, and how we left the coaching session with a different mindset, a different outlook. Who's directly responsible for invoicing? I am. The husband took responsibility. I like to use the word repent. That's sort of a spiritual word. You'll see that in religion, but repenting is real simple. It's just, I'm doing something wrong. I'm going to change and go the other direction and change it. So he agreed to change his behavior. And I don't know, I hadn't talked to this couple again. It's been a couple of weeks, but when we meet with them, we'll talk about how's it going. So who's the directly responsible individual? Ask that question. When things break, who's the DRI? Hey, listen, I hope this video helped you today. And if there's something I can do to help you, let me know. God bless.